Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to export Jotform responses in 2026. If you want to download form submissions for backup, reporting, or analysis, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Jotform account. Next, go to your dashboard where all your forms are listed. Now select the form that contains the responses you want to export. Next, click on the Submissions tab to view all collected responses. Now look for the Export All or Download Data option in the Submissions panel. Next, choose your preferred file format such as Excel, CSV, or PDF depending on your needs. Now select a date range or filters if you only want specific responses. Next, click the Export button and wait for Jotform to generate your file. Now download the exported file to your device once it is ready. Finally, open the file to verify that all your form responses have been exported correctly and safely store your data. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export Jotform responses. You can now analyze or back up your data anytime you need. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.